Once finished with the goal and scope definition, we can move on to the second step, which is the inventory analysis. Here, we compile and we quantify all of the inputs and the outputs of the product system. These include materials necessary to produce the API, such as the chemicals, any other raw materials. It also includes utilities, such as electricity and heat, and it includes outflows, such as any of the waste that is generated. Using the data that we have acquired at the plant, we can build the inventory that is necessary to produce the API. Once this is done, we can move on to the third step, which is the impact assessment. In the impact assessment, we can quantify the environmental impacts that are associated with the inventory flows that we set in the last step, the inventory analysis. And then using classification, we can categorize the environmental impacts into environmental impact categories, such as climate change and human health. These are the results that we have gathered from the LCA. Lastly, we've come to the interpretation phase, which is the last step of conducting an LCA. In this part, we can go deeper into the results. We can identify environmental hotspots, and these are the spots where we can improve on in the design of the API. LCA allows for better decision-making, and it enables us to design greener pharmaceuticals for the future.